We're supposed to get 3 inches an hour during the night.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah.
A snowman! Brother's building you a snowman.
Trying.
Daniel, you're gonna have to clean... Yeah, you're gonna have to clean your car off again tomorrow, Daniel.
You know why? It's gonna snow even more.
Because it's gonna keep snowing all night long when you're sleeping.
I was about to say that.
Yeah. You cleaned off your car real good?
Yes, you did.
Daniel? Did you clean off your car real good? No. No? Up! Almost fell. Okay. You slamming that door? How come?
Get the snow off?
Daniel, throw a snowball at brother. Throw a snowball at brother.
But you can't see, brother. How do we show one?
Daniel, look at that snowball he made. Yeah, he's making you a snowman. I know. Wow. Yeah, right there. That's good. Otherwise, it's going to block your path. Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna make the next part somewhere else because there's not enough snow, I don't think. There's not enough good snow.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's not. Are you sure? He says it's not getting cold.
It's not getting cold? Nope. Oh, you're doing a good job cleaning your car.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to make the next part down there so Sierra does need to get her butt out here.
No, she's all right. You don't need to worry. I mean, it's just going to be, you're going to have 10 inches of snow on it tomorrow, and you won't even be able to tell it's a snowman, so
You will.
I wouldn't worry about it too much. I think you'll be able to do it. You can run some over the wood pile over here, and...
Are you talking to Grandma in your imagination?
Are you talking to Grandma?
You said something about Grandma.
Yeah, I heard that.
She's like, good Grandma, good.